Use key to start engine. Push safety switch down to start operation. Push joystick forward to move arm up. Push joystick back to move arm down. Push joystick left to move equipment left. Push joystick right to move equipment right. This is foot valve to control equipment movement. Push joystick forward to move equipment forward or push joystick back to move equipment back. Push joystick back to move arm down or push joystick up to move arm up. Push joystick right to move bucket inward or outward dump. Use joystick to control small bucket. Push joystick up to move arm up.